We are here at the Fairfax County Government Center. The suite that we're dedicating for J. Lambert is the Conference Center. So it will be referred to as the J. Lambert Conference Center. And it's a special place. It is used every day, every evening by the community, by the county. And it's a place where meetings are held, and it is a well-deserved dedication. It has taken a while, but the brilliant promise and vision of the Fairfax County Government Center has finally been recognized. I'm really pleased that we are finally recognizing and thanking the individual who played a major role in making the Government Center happen. Someone who served the citizens of Fairfax County for over 3 decades. Please join me in thanking J. Lambert this afternoon as we dedicate the newly named J. Hamilton Lambert Conference Center in his name.
During his 31 years with the county, the last 10 as county executive, Jay was involved in many projects of lasting significance, but his legacy is nowhere greater than here in the Government Center complex. How very fitting that this conference center will hereafter bear his name.
Well, thank you. I think the most important thing it means is that the county government, the staff, the Citizens Committee were right when they decided to proceed with the governmental center, because I think it brought together the community, the governing body, and the staff, both to review visions, make decisions, and increase communication. And I think that goal has been successfully achieved.